Good day everyone, this is Bruce from Rainbow Digital. Today I'm introducing you the RBE2235 Embroidery machine. The machine comes with 12 needles and a working area of 35 by 22 centimeters, and we have all accessories including the cap device, a flat embroidery table, and 5 different size garment hooks for embroidering different size patterns on clothes and fabric. Our machine looks beautiful in appearance, and all of the machines have unique designs which is patent protected. And all of our frame and housing are made from galvanized steel, which is sturdy and firm, and its structure is still firm and workable after years of using. And our Rainbow embroidery machine has anti-wind pipes like this for each thread to avoid the thread twirling with each other. And we also have the screw knob in each thread for the adjustment, and so the tightness of each thread can be easily adjusted. Thanks to our technical team, we have developed a software that is user-friendly. And here, from the control system of the machine, you can see you can choose 70 languages, and where you can choose your own local language, and so that you can easily operate the machine. We provide a series of detailed tutorial videos on YouTube that is up to 2 hours, and a user manual with the machine. And our engineers and technical team are always here, ready to help if there's any questions and problems during the installation and operation. And in that way, we believe that you can learn quickly how to use the machine, and even if you are new in this field, you will be successful. And in our Rainbow embroidery machine, there is a laser device where you can easily find the starting point, and before embroidery, the laser will show the embroidery area in advance for more precise positioning, like this. So we have a little square for the embroidery, and also we got a LED lamp for night working like this. And now the light turns on. The Rainbow embroidery machine has a suspended design for Y-axis like this. That's where we are different from other brand machines. And the suspended Y design axis made it possible for embroider big items, because we leave big room in the bottom right here. And our Rainbow embroidery machine has a TPU anti-shaking mat right here between the machine and the stand. And we got a screw right here in the bottom through the mat to fix the machine and the stand together. All these designs will make the machine more stable and make less noise when working. Our machine comes with imported servo motor, belt, and barrel, which makes the machine moves accurately on X and Y axes, so that perfect embroidery work can be done easily. Many clients care about our after-sales service. We provide a 1-year warranty for our machines. Free spare parts will be sent to you by express if you have any questions during the warranty period. And as is mentioned in the beginning, we provide a series of tutorial videos and a user manual together with the machine. And you can check the videos by clicking the links below. Our engineers will be helping you by means of video call if you have any questions and if you need any technical support. As for shipping, we have a DDP channel to the majority of countries on the planet. DDP shipping will deliver the machine to your door, including customs duties and taxes. Our customers won't pay anything or do anything when they receive the machine. And as for our customers in the Canada and the United States, we have overseas warehouses in the US. And our customers in these two countries will receive the machine within 5 to 7 working days after payment. I believe you get what you pay for, and many years of working experience have given us a deep understanding in this field. We don't want our machines to be made by fragile parts or cheap materials, because we want to provide our customers with the best quality and best service. Maybe you are a dealer, a factory buyer, a small shop owner, or just you buy it for your own home use. We believe that our machines and our service and our goodwills around the world won't let you down. If you have any questions about our machine and our service, please feel free to contact the Rainbow team. We'll see you next time.